Hi, I'm Dan Cortopassi. This week I've been pretty busy with construction stuff, so I'm just going to give you a quick update on the game room and train room. I haven't done too much in the train room, but I did clean it up to make room for a load of wallboard that we have coming in. This is my little HO scale switching module that I'm planning to do a rehab on pretty soon, so I'll be doing that as part of the layout build series. And this is a second module that I started but didn't get much beyond bench work, so I might do something with that too. In the game room, I'm building a soffit. We're going to do a tray ceiling, so the ceiling where the lights are is going to be recessed a little bit. There's a little close-up of the soffit under construction. I've also been putting insulation in the room because it gets pretty cold in there in the wintertime and kind of hot in the summer. And here's our load of drywall, which they delivered on a day that was starting to rain, so we had to rush to get it inside really quick. There's Nichole. And that's piles of it inside, and Nichole's mom helped too. Thankfully, only one piece arrived messed up. We put it in a couple of big piles. The purple drywall is the regular type. The gray stuff is actually a soundproofing type of drywall that we got because Nichole's mom lives on the other side of this wall here, so we want to use the soundproof stuff on that wall. And there's the insulation for the attic. I am planning to put a shelf with a train on it below the soffit in the game room, so you can kind of see I marked a little line there that says train. It's approximately the height. And I did some wiring in the walls to try to make it a little neater so that the wiring for the train can actually be hidden in the wall and not just dangling somewhere. And eventually there'll be a controller plugged into this receptacle. I am documenting what I'm doing in the game room as far as putting the train shelf up there, so I'll be releasing that as a video at some point as well. Anyway, that's about it for now, and thanks for watching.